In 600 BC, the ancient Greeks believed that when amber, sealing wax, glass rod was rubbed with flannel or silk, it would gain power to attract little things like dust or bits of paper. Two great Greek philosophers and scientists, Thales of Miletus and Theophrastus, called this power as a property of that rubbed things. These are the only few knowledge about electricity was present at that time. Now, let's directly jump forward to year 1600. At that time, Dr. Gilbert found that not only amber, sealing wax but also there are a lot of substances like diamond, sapphire, crystal, resin, etc. He called this type of material as electrics. And the agency that were worked with this experiments are called electricity. Now, an easy experimental analysis will be discussed to extract two kinds of electrification. Here is a pith ball which is hung by a thread. A glass tube is electrified by rubbing it with silk handkerchief. Now if we take this glass tube near the pith ball, it will attract the pith ball. So, scientists think that electrified body attracts neutral body. But if we replace pith ball with bits of paper, this time it attracts and touches the glass tube. But after that paper shows repulsion. So, after that, scientists understand that when paper touches the electrified tube, it also becomes electrified and two electric bodies repulse one another. But again, if we place finger instead of glass tube, then paper will attract again. So, the summary came from this experiment was 1. An electrified body attracts neutral body. 2. Two bodies electrified with same electricity repel one another. Now, it is the year of 1700. Head of demonstrations of Royal Society was Francis Hawksby. He makes a machine named Hawksby generator. He creates the machine something like this. By rotating this handle, this glass ball rotates. All of the air was removed from this glass ball and then it was placed in this machine. However, when glass ball rotates, Hawksby put his hand on this glass ball while rotation continues. Then something unnatural happens. A blue light was seen in the vacuum portion of the glass ball, while the room was completely dark. Before that, no one had seen this type of light. A blue light. This is maybe the first ever phenomenon of watching electricity as a blue light in history. The explanation of this experiment is called electric beatification. Touching on a rotating glass tube creates static electricity, and by the way, Hawksby was on the wooden chair while experimenting this. So, when this electricity produced, it can't find any way to go as Hawksby was on the wooden chair. Wood is not a conductor. So, there is only way to go this electricity, which is the vacuum. And so it leaks there. Very easy and interesting experiment, isn't it? We'll continue from here in the next episode. Till then, goodbye.